Raising awareness about environmental issues. In this video, we're going to present some of the most important environmental issues we face and offer some advice on how to act against them. We're going to divide the video into two parts. The first part focuses on means of polluting our environment, and the second on reducing our carbon footprint. It is obvious that the air that we breathe has an impact upon our organism. The more polluted the air is, the chances of doing harm to our bodies increase. Many of us are aware that the quality of the air is decreasing as a result of deforestation, but also industry and transport contribute to this process too. Two of the easiest things we can do is to promote family tree planting in our domestic environment and encouraging each other to take public transport, walking, or even riding a bike for shorter distances. Each of these will help to reduce CO2 emissions. The quality of soil and its fertility depends a lot on how we deal with our household waste, especially oil-based waste. Proper recycling of household waste is the overall answer for this phenomenon, and it minimises the size of rubbish deposits. Bio-waste can serve as a natural fertiliser within a household, and oil can be taken to collecting points where it can be reused instead of going to landfill. Some tend to think that our potable water resources are infinite, but they certainly are not. This is a very actual problem in our lives. The quality of the water decreases every time it makes contact with improper substances like chemicals or oil. The use of eco-friendly detergents in the household is highly recommended to reduce this impact. The carbon footprint encompasses every impact upon the environment during a person's lifetime on the planet. Each person, as an inhabitant on this planet, will leave a footprint behind anyway. Therefore, we need to strive to make sure that this footprint is as small as possible. In order to preserve the quality of the air, we can avoid travelling by air, which is statistically the most polluting means of transport. Reducing the number of journeys by plane and choosing destinations which are not too far away from home is not only more economical for the family, but also benefits local tourism. The question of buying products by local producers is debated for the same reason. By doing so, we appreciate local producers' efforts and assist them financially. Also, by rejecting the purchase of foreign products, we're not sustaining the additional transport of goods, which is, in most cases, unnecessary. When buying clothes, avoid buying them online. It involves extra transport, especially when they're the wrong size and need to be returned or exchanged. We can prevent this energy and resource waste by going personally to the shop. Also, use the items of clothing as long as you possibly can. Fabric waste is huge, and clothes are always needed somewhere. Simply altering our buying habits, we can make great changes. Let's think about cosmetics for a moment. Unfortunately, many of them are still tested on animals. By refusing to buy such products, we express our objection against this process. Finally, taking our children to natural reservations, or even building a bug hotel at home, we can give them an opportunity to observe the lives of animals and take them closer to the understanding that we are not the only creatures in the world. These small steps alone form one huge step towards living an environmentally conscious life.